Great, now that we've added this to our fan page, MaxFan Demo, to our fan page, we actually just want to grab that in there, go back to our editing and in template, go to code editor, and there's one place where we just would like to. There's an advanced video that shows some other editing options if you want to. That's not inside the page editor, which I'm going to show just after this. But in this instance, there's just one place where you'd like to go and change that, which is that U for URL. That's the name of your application. So in this instance, I'm just going to paste my new one there, save, and that is done. I can close this. There is, as I said, there is a advanced video that shows more editing options if you do want to get into the back of it, but this is as much as you need to do right now. So now we can go to edit some of the information that's on the page. So right now, this is what we have on the page. It says this is where you make the irresistible offer, and that is what we have on here. So this is the page editor. The way that you get to that is you just go to your domain where you've installed it and just include edit.php. That'll automatically load this. Now this is pre-configured as you see it here with the information as I have it on here, just as an example, so that you have a way to start. Replace this with your and because this is a secure URL, I'm not including the HTTP or HTTPS. You can just start it like that, and because I've set up secure, it'll, if it needs to view it in secure, it'll use HTTPS in the start. Otherwise, it'll just use HTTP. So in this instance, I've actually installed this in Max. That's where my images live. And you can change this for your own domain. And so once I've changed those, and this is where your own images can be, you can just make sure that they're not wider than 520. Preferably, I would suggest going not wider than 500. Just because these scroll bars, you don't want those scroll bars in, so I would suggest not going wider than 500. So in this instance, this is where you make the irresistible offer, like our MaxFan demo page. That's what I want on the first one. We'd really love you to help us spread the message. Let's just say, please post a comment there. And in this instance, what I've done here is this is an image that I've included. You can actually view the HTML at the back, and as you can see, I've got an Aweber form in here as well. This is the standard way that you would edit a WordPress text area, for example. It is exactly the same. You can make these boxes bigger and smaller by dragging them out as well. So you can make the boxes bigger and smaller by dragging them out. And in this instance, as I said, this is you can actually look at the source, edit it in HTML if you want to. I've just included a button image. I've linked the button image up to my website. Over there, I've put in my Aweber script. And let me change that to something red. You can include a download here or whatever it is that you give away. So I'll just submit that. So that will now save it. And if I go back to MaxFanForce, I'm just going to go and reload the demo that we have at the moment. So you can see, like our MaxFan demo. So as soon as I like it, it will show me the next button. And as you can see, please post a comment, which was how we changed it. We don't enforce this. And there's something red in the middle of that, and there's the Aweber script as it was put up. So that's how easy it is to use the editor to change the text areas. The editor is really there for the text areas. It'll to change the text areas, and for your header, this is the logo, this is the header, and this is the footer.